Still staring at rows and columns in your customer list? MAPOG turns that static data into a dynamic, clickable map which is styled, searchable, and ready to explore. Start by heading to story.mapog.com and click Create New Map. Give your map a title and a short description. Next, go to the Add Story section. Choose Add by uploading CSV/Excel. Now, click the Select Point Type Settings icon. Then hit Add More Location Type. Here, name your location type such as Customer List and set the feature type to Point. Now start adding attributes with their accurate attribute type, like address for addresses, phone for phone number, email for email address, and so on. Then click Save. Once your point layer is ready, select it from the drop-down. Then browse your device and select your Excel or CSV file which contains coordinate data and click Upload. Now it's time to define your location fields. Select Auto-Generated ID to assign unique identifiers, match your attributes to the Excel columns, and for placement, select either coordinates or WKT. Align them, then hit Submit. Your points are now live on the map. Click the pencil icon of each point and select Edit Point Details to edit attributes or add images. Perfect for making your map more interactive and informative. Want your locations to pop visually? Open the Layer panel, go to Add Layer Style, choose an icon shape, pick a color, and save style to make each point stand out visually. That's it, your customer list is now mapped, interactive, and ready to explore through pop-ups. What makes this useful is that it helps teams across industries make sense of their data. Retail teams can track coverage and delivery zones, construction and infrastructure teams can track project location and service history, and sales team can spot clusters, campaign reach, and referrals, all through one interactive map. Want to give MAPOG a try? Head over to story.mapog.com and start mapping your customer list in minutes. Need help with styling your map layers, presentation flow, or anything GIS related? Drop us a line at support@mapog.com. We're here to help.